Especially, I would like to thank my parents, teachers, and coaches for all of their support over the past 4 years. I couldn't have done it without them. Looking back, it feels like just yesterday that we walked into Lorain High, juniors in a new school, feeling like freshmen all over again. I was unsure about how my last 2 years of high school would unfold, but now that I think about it, I have no complaints. I will truly miss all of my classmates. Congratulations to the class of 2012. This isn't the end, it's only the beginning. Mrs. Conver, Lorain High School principal, will now speak on behalf of the scholarships and honor graduates. Good evening, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the second annual commencement ceremony for Lorain High School. It gives me a great feeling of pride to be standing before you today as we celebrate the graduation of the class of 2012. I would like to take a moment to introduce the people here with me this evening. They are, please stand when I call your name, President of the Lorain Board of Education, Timothy Williams, Vice President Bill Sturgill, Member Tony DiMacchio, Member Mitch Fallis, Superintendent Dr. Ed Graham, Treasurer Dale Weber, Assistant Superintendent Dr. Stephen Sturgill, Assistant Superintendent Jane Hawks, Director of Technology Mark Evans, Human Resources Director Carol Goshley,